Hello everyone, welcome to NIRS channel. Dear students, in the previous class we studied about the 13th example from the exercise number 5.2 and I have given the 14th one homework for you. Now today let us discuss about the 15th main of the same exercise. See the question carefully. For what value of n? For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs? Nth term of the two APs 63, 65, 67, so on. And one more AP is two APs they given here 3, 10, 17, so on are equal. Okay. Now see what is the question here. For what value of n terms are of the nth term of these two APs are equal? Which is the term of these two nth term of the APs are equal? You have to find here. Two APs they have given here. I think you understood this question. Now see, first you have to write the given one by one APs here. Now answer for AP. So now take the first APs here. Which is the first AP here? That is 63, 65, 67, so on. Clear? They given both APs having the nth terms are equal. Both nth terms are the equal. Now see what is the first term here. I will remove the question here. What is the first term? First term is A is equal to 63 and a common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to 65 minus 63 is equal to 2. Common difference is 2 here. Now see the nth term they given both nth terms are equal. Both nth terms are the equal. Then what is the formula of the nth term formula? An is equal to A plus into bracket n minus 1 into D here. Then substitute the value here of the first AP is A means here first term 63 plus into bracket n minus, we are going to find the value of n only, then minus 1 into common difference 2. Then simplification 63 plus 2 into n 2n minus into plus minus 2 1s are 2. Therefore is equal to 63 minus 2, 61 plus 2n. Now this is the equation 1. This is the equation 1 here. Now come to the next second APs. Then what are the second APs here? Second AP they given here, that is 3, 10, 17, so on. Correct. Then here what is the A value? You have to take that A value here. A is equal to 3 and common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to A2 is 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Common difference is 7. Now see, next I will remove this one here. Find the nth term of this second APs here, that is An is equal to A plus into bracket n minus 1 into D here. Clear? Then A first term 3 plus into bracket n minus 1 into common difference 7 is equal to 3 plus into 3 plus 7 into n 7n minus 7 1s are 7. Then is equal to, now see the 3 minus 7, how much here? Minus 4, correct? Therefore 7n minus 4. Now this is the second APs here. Now they given both nth terms of the APs, correct? Both nth terms of the APs are equal. Now see the from equation 1 and 2. Now you have to take down this step by step here. Now see the equating equation 1 and 2. See what we get the equation 1 and 2 here. Therefore 7n minus 4 is equal to equation 1 is 61 plus 2n. Clear? Now see that, solve the n values here. Therefore 7n bring the 2n this side, minus 2n is equal to 61 as it is, plus 4, minus 4, bring on the right hand side, that is plus 4. Clear? Then so remove this one. Okay. Then see here, 7n minus 2n, 5n is equal to 65. Clear? Then n is equal to 65 upon 5. Therefore n is equal to 5 ones are 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So n is equal to 13th term. It means that they ask the question to, is the which term of the A, these given two nth terms are having the A equal, that is the which term here, 13th term of these two APs are equal. So final point what I have to write here. Therefore, shall I write here? I'll remove this one. Therefore, 13th terms of two APs have same 13th term of the two APs have the same to each other. Now this is the 13th term of these two APs are equal. I hope you understood how to find. You have to practice again and again, then you'll get the idea. Now see the next example. Yes. See the children, second question, that is 16th one. Determine the APs whose third term is 16. Whose third term is, how much is that? 16. And the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Now we know that already, such examples you solved in the previous class. Now they given here, third term is, how much is that? 16. See the answer here. First see the, what they given, you have to write that now. Then you'll get the clear idea that how to solve here. Third term, that is what is the third term formula? A3 is equal to 16, they given. Next what they given, and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term. Means difference between the seventh and fifth term is how much is there? 12. Clear? Then see how to write here. Yeah, seventh term formula, what is that seventh term formula? A7 minus fifth term means A5 is equal to how much is that? 12. So see that, solve these two equations, you will get the answer. What they ask the question to find here? Determine the APs. You have to find the APs, you have to find here now. Now see the APs, how can you find? By solving these two equations. Now see the first one, A3 is equal to 16. What is the A3 formula? A plus 2D is equal to 16. Correct? A3 means A plus 2D is equal to 16. Then second is equation 1. This one, A7 minus A5. A7 formula, what is that? A plus 6D minus into bracket, because two terms will come, so you have to write in the bracket here. A5 formula, A plus 4D is equal to 12. Clear? Then see that, simplify, open the bracket first. Now A plus 6D minus A minus into plus minus 4D is equal to 12. Is that it? Then simplification, plus A minus A get cancel. 6D minus 4D is equal to 2D is equal to 12. Clear? Then see, you can cancel this. See that D is equal to what is that? 12 upon 2. Therefore D is equal to 6. Correct? 2 ones are 2, 6 are 12. Now common difference, you got it directly here. D is equal to 6 now. Now this value you have to substitute in equation 1. You will get the first term here now. Now see that, here you have to put that. Now is equal to, see here, A, we don't know that, A plus 2 into D. D how much is there? 6. 2 6 are 12 is equal to 16. Therefore A is equal to 16 minus 12. A is equal to how much here? 4. Now first term is how much is there? 4 here. Then AP you can write that easily. If you know the first term and the common difference means you can find the APs now. You know that what is the general formula of the APs. Now see here, we'll write here. Now AP is equal to formula. What is the general formula of the APs here? AP is equal to A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma so on. Means first term, second term, third term and so on. So is equal to what is that? A means how much is there? 4 comma A plus D. How much is the D? D is a 6. Then comma A means 4 plus 2 into D means 6 and so on. Therefore is equal to 4 comma A means how much is there? 4. Right here 4. 4 plus 6 10 comma here 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4 12 plus 4 16 and plus again 6 common difference is 6 is there. Put the 6 here. How much here? 22 and so on. Now hence AP is how much is there here? AP now 4 comma 10 comma 16 comma 22 comma so on 28 comma so on. This is the required APs of the given question. I hope you understood. Now next question number this is 16 17 and 18 are the homework for you. 2 questions are homework. I will send that in the group, in the WhatsApp group. I will send that, which is the homework for you. 2 attend that. 2 you have to take the homework. Neat, you have to see the questions. You have to read it carefully. Then you will get the idea what they given. Then what you can find. Then how to find by using the formulas. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.